Welcome inside the Visit Lethbridge.com arena as the Lethbridge Hurricanes open a season-long 6-game homestand against the Kelowna Rockets. Levi works in the corner down low. Swept off his stick by Peterson. Gillespie, a hot shot, scores! A bullet from the right point beat a screened Cleaver, and Kelowna up 1-0 early. Dawson Gerwing leaves it for Corbett. He'll work in over the line with a long shot. There's a rebound, scores! Papanikis ripped it, and it's 2-0 Kelowna. Walks in, cross seam. Wormold had to reach for it on the wrong side. Now gets it to the top for Price. To Yager, right circle, scores! Point number 325 in the Western Hockey League. Braden Yager on the power play, and it's 2-1. 3 seconds to go in 4-on-4, a 2-on-1. Brayar in to Doyle to the net, scores! Tristan Doyle jumped up, dekes it backhand and roofs it to tie the game at 2. Quick touch to Price at the top. Now for Smith, right circle. Cross seam, Johnson put to the front, tip, scores! Johnson against his former team. Jakob Stanzel, goal leader. Here's Benson, a shot, scores! Levi Benson beats Cleaver, and it's tied again. Down the right boards, Wilson pressured by Corbet. Turned back up the wall, a long shot. Johnson scores! That one will be Trey's. 4-3 Lethbridge. Steps it to the side. Stanzel through his legs. Stopped by Cleaver. Puck is loose, and jamming was Longley. Doyle to the side. Johnson hooked it back. Comes to the blue line. Price a shot. He scores! How do you like me now? Caden Price, a bullet, and it's 5-3 Lethbridge. Oh, and slipped it through the middle in a 2-on-1. Fulstrom in. He shoots. He scores. Backhander to the front, Chadwick, empty net bid, just wide of the goal. Hustling is Smith, he'll get to it and score! Cleaver, back of the net, thought about it, plays it off to McCutcheon. Now turns it around for McCutcheon. Edwards takes the shot at the empty net. A 7 spot for the Lethbridge Hurricanes as they open a season-long 6-game homestand with a 7-4 victory over the Kelowna Rockets and extend a point streak to 6 straight games, their 39th victory of the season.